trumpets shaped by fire, call their camp to rise higher, and one together to move as the Lord would prove. Leaders came at every sound, tribes assembled all around. At his voice they took their place, ordered by his grace. In the battle, in the feast, sound the call and never cease. God will hear and God will save, he is strong and brave. When the trumpets sound we go, when you call we rise and move. Every step is by your word, led by you, oh Lord. 나팔 소리 들릴 때 우린 일어나네, marching on faith and trust, following your call. 나팔 소리 들릴 때 우린 일어나네, marching on faith and trust, following your call. Leader, what calls Israel to rise? Leader, what calls Israel to rise? Leader, who commands the camp to move? Leader, the Lord our God. Leader, when we go into the fight, 기억하신다. Judah first would lead the way, step by step in full array. Ark would rise and Moses cried, Lord, go on our side. When they rested once again,